Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily check the security in your HP DeskJet 4220e. So first, open up the DeskJet in the HP Smart app. There is a tutorial on our channel on how to download the app. So now go over to the advanced section, click advanced settings, and you'll be redirected to this site. Now go to network and here click on the security. Here you'll be able to see the SNMP, and here you'll be able to enable the read-write access, the community name, and to get the community name. Here you can also disable the SNMP, and then you'll simply need to click apply and those settings will be changed. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.